Hello everyone and welcome back to PostNetwork Academy. I am Bindeshwar and today we are exploring a fun and essential topic in probability, drawing balls from a bag. This is part of our data science and AI lecture series and it's perfect for anyone looking to strengthen their basics in probability. So whether you are a student, a data scientist or just curious, you are in the right place. So the problem is a bag contains 4 red balls, 5 black balls, 2 green balls. One ball is drawn at random. So find the probability that it is a red ball, it is a not black ball, it is a green ball, green or black ball, and these are three different problems. So let us solve the first one. So first of all you will calculate size of the sample space. So size of sample space is number of total balls. So red balls, black balls and green balls. So total balls are 4 plus 5 plus 2, that is 11. So the total number of balls in the bag is 11. Thereafter, the probability of drawing a red ball is calculated as number of red balls upon total balls, and that is 4 upon 11. So the probability of drawing a red ball is 4 upon 11. Now let us find the probability of not drawing a black ball. So consider the number of balls that are not black. That is, you will add red balls plus green balls. That would be not black balls. So you can see that not black balls are 6. Out of 11, not black balls are 6. So the probability would be P not black balls, number of not black balls upon total balls. That would be 6 upon 11. So the probability of not drawing a black ball is 6 upon 11. Let us see that the third problem, the probability of drawing a green or black ball is calculated by the adding probabilities of drawing a green and a black ball. So probability of green or black, that is P green or P black. So first calculate the probabilities. So P green 2 upon 11, P black, that is 5 upon 11. So you will add probabilities and you will get 7 upon 11. So the probability of drawing a green or black ball is 7 upon 11. Now here the final result. So probability of drawing a red ball is 4 upon 11. Probability of not drawing a black ball is 6 upon 11. And probability of drawing a green or black ball, that is 7 upon 11. So hope you have understood the concept, and for more resources and videos you can visit website www.postnetwork.co. You can visit YouTube channel for videos and playlist. You can visit for a post and videos. You can visit Facebook page, and you can also connect with LinkedIn page of PostNetwork Academy. So hope you have understood the concept. Thanks for watching the video.